Okay, so we're going to be working on converting. We're going to be converting fractions to decimals and then into percents. So let me give you guys a quick background on what fractions, decimals, and percents are. So fractions are any numbers that look like this, with m over n, where n is not equal to 0, and m and n are whole numbers. So you could represent them in a model such as this one, or this one. So we have 1/3, 3/4, and then you could even use visuals such as this, like I folded this paper hamburger style into thirds. Next we have decimals, and these are a little trickier, but the main thing to notice is that their denominator is a multiple of 10. So you want to write the 0.33 as 33 over 100. The multiple of 10 here is 10 times 10, or 100. So here is a couple models that you could do. You can write on the board. We have 0.33, so these are each a column of 1/10 each. So we have 3 full 1/10, and then 3 in the last 1/10 to get 33. And then this is 0.04, and so notice we only have 4 marked in this 10th column. So it takes 4 hundredths, or 10 hundredths, to make a full 10th, and we only have 4 of those hundredths. Next we have percents, and the key term to notice for percent is we want parts per 100. So when we look at 3, we're only looking at these first 3. That's 3% of this whole 100 diagram. Here I marked 27, so here's the full 10 in each row. So 10, 20, and then 7 to get us 27%. And then, forgot the visual for decimals. We have 10 paper balls here. And if I wanted to look at 0.3 of them, I would just grab 3 of the 10, like this. So, I mean, this is kind of fun. You could just have the kids, like, say, you each get 0.3 shots on a basketball shot, on a trash can, like a basketball hoop, so they can have fun with that. And then for percents, it's really good to have them start working with money. So I have nickels and dimes here, and quarters, but they're pretty small, so you can't really see. So I have a Bobby nickel that's also out of 100. So if you have 100 cents or 20 Bobby nickels, you have $1. So 5 cents is 5% of $1. Okay. So now that background's out of the way, let me give you guys a quick example of how to work with converting. So what we're going to work with is 3/10. So we have that in fraction form already, and we want to convert that to decimals. And remember, we want multiples of 10, and it's already in a multiple of 10, so we know that it's 0.3. Now we want to convert that to a percent, and we want parts per 100. So we're not quite at parts per 100 yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 1, or we're going to multiply by 1, but our 1 is going to be 10 over 10. And that's going to give us 30 over 100. 30 over 100. And that equals 30%, because we have 30 parts of 100. And that concludes today's lesson.